How to edit a WEBFLOW Navbar. So first go to your WEBFLOW designer, then just click on nav here, the left side. Okay, now just click on this gear icon here, the wrench icon here, and then you will go here into style. So this is where you can edit your navbar. As you can see the layout, spacing, position, the size, typography, backgrounds, borders, and effects. Okay, you can also add custom properties here. So for example, I want to change the layout. Instead of flex, I want to make it a grid. Now it would look like this. Okay, now for example, I want to change the background color. Just go to backgrounds and let's change the color here, and I want to change it into, let's say, this one here. Click on it, and as you can see, now it's changed. Now after that, after editing all of these, you can just click on the publish here and you will be done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.